Alright, we're now here with Katrina Legado.
Hello!
Yeah, first of all, congrats, Kat, one of the winners of the Hello Glow.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, ano pakiramdam?
Gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat. Of course, I wouldn't be here without everyone. Siyempre, we did our homework and we showed our very best. Kaya naman, thank you so much, Hello Glow, for choosing me as your top 10 finalist.
Yes, of course. Kat, gusto ko lang malaman, kagabi, nasa biggest modeling show ka pa. So,
Yes.
late na siya natapos, as kaninang aga ng call time, paano mo na ma-manage yung time mo?
Yun nga ang sabi ko from runway ng Body of Work to runway ng Hello Glow. So kaya naman tuloy-tuloy lang. I think it's a great practice, di ba? Nagpasabog na tayo gabi. And now we are here, so we're unstoppable.
Grabe, ang fresh pa din, no?
Thank you, Hello Glow.
Oh, so ayan, nasa momentum ka ngayon, Kat. Ano pa yung aabangan natin sa'yo?
Ako, napakarami pang events ang Miss Universe Philippines. We have the Ako Boracay show. So I'm very excited dun sa Ako Boracay show natin. April 3 to 6. Kaya naman, abangan po ninyo yon and cheer for me, vote for me, and of course, continue supporting me in this journey.
Of course, of course. So again, congratulations, Kat Legado, tagig Miss Universe Philippines.
Thank you so much!
Congrats, Kat.